If you have a spreadsheet with cells that contain both text and numbers, and you need to extract only the numbers, you can solve this problem in just a few minutes using a simple macro. There are some options using Excel's built-in functions. However, the method I'm going to show you is more efficient and even easier. So, as you can see, I have a spreadsheet here with a random data like product codes and address that also contain numbers. Notice that in some cases, the numbers are at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the text. This method will work in all these situations, no matter where the number is located in the cell. So to extract the numbers, I'm going to do the following. First, I will go to the Developer tab. If you don't have this tab enabled in your Excel, just check the video in the cards where I show how to enable it. Next, I will click on the Visual Basic option. In the VBA window, I will go to Insert Module. Inside the module, I will paste a code that I will leave in the video description. This code will create a new function in Excel called ExtractNumber, which will only work for this workbook. After that, just close the VBA window. Back on the spreadsheet, in the next column, I will type equals and then type ExtractNumber, which is the name of the function I just created. As you can see, Excel has found it. Now I will simply select the cell that I want to extract the number from. To finish, I will close the parentheses and press Enter. And that's it. Now I will use the fill handle to apply the formula to the rest of the column. Notice that no matter the position of the number, the function you will extract is very easily without several complex functions. To finish, you can copy this result and pass them as values to get only the result of the formula like this. And if you plan to use this formula in the same spreadsheet later, I recommend save your spreadsheet as macro-enabled workbook. So if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more Excel tips like this one. See you next time.